Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixelLab. Select the text. Edit by writing. Size of letter. Font of letter. Change the color. Duplicate the letter. Change the color of letter. To back the letter. Change the background color. Copy the letter. Select the color filter. Adjust the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.